Good afternoon, and we've got Bob here. Come and stand in the camera, Bob.
Hello, YouTubers.
Today we're looking at replacing his brake master cylinder because he's off to Ireland on Wednesday, and the pedal's a little bit playy, isn't it?
Yeah, a bit too much travel.
It's not leaking, the old one, but we're going to put the new one on anyway, and then we'll just give the brakes a bleed and have a check over. So I've told him I can do this without taking the tank out, and he doesn't believe me.
Oh, I do believe you. I just want to see it for sure.
So we're going to attempt it, and we've got the new one here, and I got a spur arm out of my stock, so we've put it in preparation. He's got the new boot, so this is ready to go in once we've got the old one out. So the first thing, we'll empty the boot of all his tranclements, and then we'll attack getting the bolts out. But it's not as hard as everybody thinks. So let's move forwards to the position where we're going to be working in the next 10 minutes or so. Okay, so as you can see, we've got a boot full of stuff, and we're ready to tackle this little bit of a job. So he's got all sorts of stuff in any road. Need a 7/16 spanner, 13mm or 1/2 inch socket, and a 1/2 inch spanner for the brake reservoir supply, because that's a slightly bigger size. So first thing we're going to do, or we have done, is put a glove over the cap and put the cap on. Hopefully it'll vacuum and hold some of the fluid in the reservoir. Next thing now, it's back braking time. I get down here and I've got to get this pipe off. Well, actually I've already took it off, as you can see. I'm telling fibs there. I managed to get the first filler pipe out, so the next job is to get the brake pipe out. Now I'm not going to video that because it'll only take me about 10 minutes, and then we'll flip back very, very shortly once I've got the pipe out. So 10 minutes later, and we've got the other pipe out now. So I've undone the bolts, and these have got bolts on for some reason. Now normally you have nuts, but that might be a bit easier for us to put them back in. Been inside the car, and I've took the pedal pin out, and that was a bit of a ball ache because it was seized. Put a bit of WD-40 in the mole grips, and we managed to free it off. So we'll give that a bit of an emery cloth up prior to putting back in, and we'll put I've got some new split pins, so I'll put my new split pin in as well. So it's a bit tricky, but it can be done if you're ambidextrous. And you can see there it's ready to come out, and I've already undone the bolts and it's out. There you go. One crusty, well, not so crusty, girly master cylinder to be replaced with someone he's got off Bob Allen from the Imp Club, which is, I don't know what make it is. What makes this, Bob?
I don't know, it's got an
ABP.
Yes.
968825. Any road. We'll find out if it's any good when we bleed the brakes later. Okie dokie, so I'm going to put the new one back on now. Now this involves a bit of bending down and a bit of feeling by hand. Get the where it goes through. There it is. Hopefully the boot will go through with it. Because they're a bit stiff, that's it. Right. One bolt started. And then the second bolt put on. Actually it's better with a bolt than the nut, because it's easy to fish into the master cylinder, he says. There you go. Finger out the way. Right. That's that one done. And there's the other one. Bit of a correction. One nut up. that's a master cylinder on. The next one is to get the pipes in, and I'm not going to video this because it might take some time and you don't want to just stand there watching me bolt a bolt up. Okay, so we're finally done, and what a bar stool of a job that was. Trying to get the pipe started, end up breaking the one underneath on the three-way junction, and then having to take the rubber hose off the brake master cylinder receiver holder. But we managed it, didn't we, Bob?
Yeah, it's
in
done.
the end. Bob guided me with his finger pointing. So now the next job, we're just going to bleed the brakes. We give the pin a bit of a clean up and a little bit of copper grease, so we're happy days. So fingers crossed we'll have some good brakes on this, and he'll be able to stop on the sixpence when he gets to Ireland. So we'll start with the front, I think, don't you? Or do you want to do the back? It doesn't really matter, does it? Because we're pulling it all the way through. We'll start with the back then. We'll get the back jacked up and we'll whiz the bleed nipple off and get the easy bleed on, and away we go. And we'll resume very shortly. Right, so we've now finished the brakes down there, and Bob's got it's got the easy bleed set up, haven't you, Bob?
I have.
So we're going to just pop that, we patch it onto the reservoir cap there, and Bob's made sure that's tight. We've got a bottle with plenty of fluid in, and the little imp override is a perfect spot for holding your bottle.
Indeed.
So next, Bob will just attach it to the spur wheel, and away we go. We'll go and start bleeding the brakes, and we'll report back once we're done. Right, well, that seems successful, does it not?
It does.
We've got a pedal. It's not as good as what we would like, but it might just need dropping down off the jack, and we'll get it out. However, we found another problem, haven't we, Bob?
We have, yes.
Yes, I said to him, his exhaust sounds like it's blowing a bit, and it is.
It is.
Big split round the tailpipe. So,
Oops.
another job for Gaz to sort out.
Gas
So,
with his gas.
I'll get my welding set out and we'll give it a quick weld round. I think we did the back end, didn't we? Didn't I do the back end for you?
No, that was the other one that John's got now.
Oh, right, God. I don't forget that. I do that many. I'm like Mr. Exhaust Man for everybody.
He is, it's
But
true.
I've done, but we need to do this because you can't go to Ireland like that. So,
No.
anyway, out with the welding set while Bob tidies all his stuff away.
Yeah. This is what happens when they've been stood for too long.
So, look at the colour of my hands and look at Bob's. We know who's done all the work, don't we? Anyway, fingers crossed we're all done. We just greased the backs of the front brakes as well, stop them squealing because there's a little bit of a squeal. So I think we're all done now, aren't we, Bob?
Hopefully.
Yeah, exhaust is welded, master cylinder's changed, brakes rechecked again because he's done a few miles since we did them the other week. So it should be right for Ireland, fingers crossed then.
Yep, yep.
But I don't do recovery abroad.
No, that's
Just
all right.
AA runs out at the end of my street. or the GM service centre. Anyway, thanks very much, Bob, and hope you have a great trip. I'm sure you will.
Cheers, thank you, guys.
No problem. Look at that. Got him all dirty. He'll have to wash his hands now.
I will.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Please like and subscribe if you like Bob and me.
Yes, push the button down
We
below.
can do a double act, maybe. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Ta-da.